nowadays and AI, but human still has to be the driving force, in my opinion. Humanization and automation and digitization come together. Really developing your EVP and then looking at how you leverage technology to get that visual storytelling. And if you're not resilient, if you can't handle your change management, then it's really, really tough. So definitely 100%. Obviously, lots of people are talking about technology nowadays and AI, but human still has to be the driving force, in my opinion. Technology can't work without the humans, and especially from insights and analytics point of view, there's always got to be the human element. So definitely 100%. So that's where the technology element comes in from my perspective, and I've been working the past couple of years really, really hard on sort of the hybrid models where humanization and automation and digitization come together. So I think, defining goals, if you look at EVPs, defining goals, things like that, set out what you want to measure, first of all, why you want to measure it and what the outcome. So defining those things, then only you can start to measure your success. So it elevates it in multiple ways. So like I say, everything from really, really focusing on recruitment marketing, and there's platforms out there now that specialize in recruitment marketing and employer branding. So, really developing your EVP and then looking at how you leverage technology to get that visual storytelling, visualizing your brand and giving some impact on the market for candidate attraction. Really, really one good way in terms of the talent attraction piece. Going on after that, we look at sort of candidate experience and also customer experience in general. So for hiring leaders as well as candidates, how is the whole experience during talent attraction and talent acquisition? Moving on from there, how do we measure the effectiveness of our recruitment teams and talent acquisition teams, how successful they are, how they provide the candidate and customer experience? And then after that, the ROI and the employee experience. So it really then moves on to engagement. So previous couple of companies I've done projects with, we've measured all the way till the end of, from a talent acquisition and talent attraction perspective, we measure all the way till the end of probationary period. So normally after a 6-month period, we're still then sort of classing that as onboarding or ongoing onboarding. So we measure engagement all the way through. You need platforms to do this, feedback, pulse surveys, but we need tangible data, and that's where we really leverage technology. Okay, so I think it's shifted in the past 2 years. I hate the cliche new normal and things like that. I'm not gonna use it, but traits have shifted. So for me, it used to be enthusiasm and can-do attitude. I think now I still look for that, but it probably sits on the back of, if I had to identify one key, it would definitely be resilience. We don't know what's going to get thrown at us now. Companies are changing, environments are changing. You've got sort of hybrid work setups and things like this. So, things change, and they change very, very quickly. And if you're not resilient, if you can't handle your change management, then it's really, really tough nowadays. So resilience is what I really, really double down on when I'm interviewing candidates. Hi, I'm Simon Antrobus, and I'm the co-founder of Voyse. Voyse is a new recruitment marketing and employer branding platform that we're launching in Asia. I've been working in talent acquisition for over 15 years, from agency all the way through to internal talent acquisition with some RPO and MSP in between. Join me at Build the Future Team Conference 2022. I look forward to seeing you.